Good morning, teacher and teammates of the course. My name is Richard David Pineda, and I'm going to summary you the activity 8, the video blog I made for you. So I made it in slashes because it was very difficult for me to make it in the Move Note application. So in this first slide, I introduce myself and the topic that I had. In this second slash, I talk about some definition that is what the topic represents for me. For example, I say this topic is very important in my learning because I can go deep in the past tense. I can practice how to use proper verbs in the past tense, and I will improve my speaking skills. And also, I'll be able to learn how to speak like a reporter and how to report a news to my friends or family. See, so that topic is very important for me because for me telling a story or something that happened to me is very special, because actually I don't know how to tell good stories. So with that topic, I can improve the skill that I have. The objective I have for this activity are: first, use there is and there are to show that objects, people, events exist in the present. That's very important. The use of there is, there are, and the second says use there was or there were to show that objects, people, events existed in the past. It's the same that the first, but in this case we are using it in the past tense. And the third one, and I think that is the most important, use vocabulary and idiomatic expression related to the new and to eventful days activities. The vocabulary for me is like the most important thing because if I don't know a lot of words, I will get lost in what I'm trying to say. So that's what is very important. And in the first slide, I made a reading of a text I downloaded in internet, which is about a shopping center. So in that text we are using it for the grammar of there is and there are. So I thought it was very important to explain how to use it correctly, the grammar. For example, this is said in the first paragraph. This is a shopping center. Its name is Park City. There are 3 floors in this shopping center. In the 179th Avenue, it's behind it, and beside it there is a parking lot. See, in this first paragraph we use it 1, 2, like 3 or 4 times in the grammar. There is and there are, to express that exist objects, people and events in the text. And in the last slide, the fifth slide, I made some practice. So I read all the text, and I made some questions in order to resolve. For example, in the first, I made is there a shopping center named Park City? And the answer, according to the test, is yes, there is one called like that. And I did a lot of practice in order to understand what the shopping center said about the things that it had inside.